The Ghana Football Association in Nkyeremu Kakraba regarding Coach Prosper Ogum against Accra House of Folk. No problem can me a story be about Coach Ogum ebo etia Accra House of Folk as Kotoko coach. And reports nature say Olusu ye against Accra House of Folk da as far as say oye Kotoko coach, but a man for etekini out of contest kakra. And omoka se Coach Prosper Ogum enlusu ntia Accra House of Folk da nchechemu no the GFA e de aba a ewa ha me de bro e wo fia aha ye Super 24 TV the Kotoko Express channel. Yes, Kotoko Express nzeze ye nton newspaper biom Kotoko ensem no na ya kokyere gu afidie so atem ya de bro ewo the Super 24 TV the Kotoko Express channel and also now Dr. Prosper Ogum versus Accra House of Folk in the Premier League and only you can watch me has a share 4-0 abra no wafa in the year 2020-21 Ghana Premier League no the same year no return leg no or share has 1-0 ewo Sugar Kope 2020-21 no a Premier League and oba Kotoko 2021-2022 no Accra House of Folk home only has ball 0-0 and Kotoko home 2021-2022 no Kotoko share House of Folk and this season 2023-24 or share Accra House of Folk 3-2 Baba Yara Sports Stadium now no first leg of the course on Accra House of Folk home into 3 games now on Kotoko only has a ball as far as Kotoko coach nedia well unlusu ba hokra. Yes, and no yenka ni yenshano so but one wafa as coach nedia we lusu baako. Yes, and wa wini baako as wafa.